topic is BODMAS. So BODMAS tells us about order of operations. See, B stands for brackets, O is order of, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S is for subtraction. So there are different order of operation. Suppose if you see something like this, how you will start doing this problem? Some may start with 3 plus 6, 9, then into 2, and you write 18. Do you think it is correct? No, this is wrong. BODMAS tells us when you have different operations in a problem, how to start them in a particular order. So what is the first thing to solve? First is brackets, but there are no brackets in this problem. So let's do this problem in the right way. Second is order of, but there is no order of powers or something like that. Then division, but I can't find any division sign in this problem. Then I have multiplication, yes. So I should start with multiplication before doing the addition, because multiplication is above the addition. So what is 6 into 2? 12. And I'll write plus 3 as it is. Then yes, after that I can do addition in second step. So 3 plus 12 is 15. So this is my answer. Now I have the same numbers in some other way. See, I have 3 plus 6 into 2, but there are brackets. Can you see? 3 plus 6 are inside the brackets. So what does my BODMAS say? BODMAS means start with the brackets. So here are my brackets. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now my brackets are solved. After that, multiply by 2. Obviously there is no of, no division. So multiplication comes after that. So 9 2s are 18. Now surprised? Two problems with same numbers. But if you interchange the operations, order of operations, then we get different answer. I have a simple problem, but in this I have division as one operation. So how I will start? Again I look for brackets, but there are no brackets. Then of, I don't have of. Yes, my third operation is division. So I will start with division first. So what is 6 divided by 3? 2. So I will write answer here, then multiply by 2. Now next operation is multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Last is 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So my answer is 7. So this is the way how we follow order of operations. Let's increase the difficulty level. Now I have so many operations. Subtraction, addition, of, again subtraction, then multiplication, and yes, I have brackets also. This time I have simple bracket and square bracket. So here you might be confused how to start. But if you understand the BODMAS, it is a simple problem to solve. See, what is my first operation to do? Brackets. So now there are two brackets, square bracket and simple bracket. So we'll start with the simple bracket. So write 78 as it is, square bracket, 5 plus 3 of. Now what is inside this bracket? 25 minus. Can you do minus first? Subtraction? See here, subtraction is the last operation. Before subtraction I have addition and multiplication. But I don't have addition here, I have multiplication. So I will go for multiplication first. 2 tens are 20. So I have solved the first step. Moving further, 5 plus 3 of, again. Now 25 minus 20, because I have no other operation left in this bracket. That is 5. So I can directly write here answer, because after that I have nothing to do in this bracket. Now can you see I have solved the simple brackets. Now I am left with square brackets. So in square brackets what will I do? Again I will follow the BODMAS. So my board must say first do order of operation before addition. Can you see? Of is coming first. Second number coming in second number. After that division, multiplication, then addition. But I don't have these operations. I don't have. Yeah, I have brackets. So I am solving the bracket. After that I am doing off. So off means 3 into 5. I'll change off to this because off means into 3 of 5. So 5 plus 15. Yes, so what is 5 plus 15? 20. So 78 minus 20 is 58. So this is my answer. So simple process to solve a difficult problem by using BODMAS. Let's solve a problem with mixed fraction, curly bracket, square brackets. So how do I start? First of all, always follow the rule BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So it's not difficult to learn this because B for bracket, O for order of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So whenever you are solving these problems, you can write this thing in your rough work so that you always remember what is the order you have to follow. So what should I follow now? Brackets. So I have curly bracket and square bracket. But what to solve first? Always start with the inner bracket first. So inner bracket is square bracket. So I will write my mixed fraction 15 1 by 2 as it is. 3 1 by 2. Now I will solve this. Here you can see this is fraction 6 minus 2 by 3. So I will take LCM. Yes. 18 minus 2 is 16. So I can directly write the answer 16 by 3. Yes. This is the way to solve the fractions in addition and subtraction. So how do we solve it? You have learnt in the previous classes. Yes. When we make the denominator same, I make the denominator same by multiplying 6 and 6 and 1 by 3 on numerator and denominator. So 6 3s are 18. Yes. 1 3s are 3. So I took LCM of 3 and 1. So that is 3 only. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. So here 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's by 2. That is a different topic that I will not start here. Otherwise it will take a long time to finish it. So next step is solving the curly brackets. How you will solve? So let's now start solving the mixed fraction. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1, 31. I can write it like this also. Then 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2 plus 16 by 3. Again, I have different denominators here. 7 by 2 plus 16 by 3. So how should I do now? Again, take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, this is the way you do. Now I have made the denominators equal by multiplying 2 with 3 and 3 with 2. So 7 3s are 21 plus 16 to the 30. Now I'll solve it here. 31 by 2 minus, what is 21 plus 32? That is 53 by 6. Now again, different denominators. If I take the LCM of 2 and 6, will I get 12? No. We have already discussed in the previous video how to find the LCM. So my LCM is 6. Again, making this LCM is 6, so I make 2 This denominator is 6 how? By multiplying with 3. So 31 3s are 93 minus 53. So what is 93 minus 53? That is 40 by 6. Or you can write it if you reduce to lowest terms. 2 3s are 6, 2 20s are 40, 20 by 3. So this is my answer. I hope you understand how to use BODMAS in this kind of problem where you have different operations. What you have to do? Arrange the operations in a proper order. That is what BODMAS. Thank you so much.